In this video, I'm showing you 3 ways to retouch your face like a pro. Let's dive into the first simple method. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer. Always work non-destructively to keep your original safe. Next, add a black and white adjustment layer. Lower the reds and boost the yellows. This clever trick makes blemishes stand out darker, making them easier to spot and target. Now grab the spot healing brush tool and carefully clean up those main problem areas. Take your time here for the best results. Once you are done, delete the black and white adjustment layer to bring back the full color of your image. Now duplicate your cleanup layer and rename it Retouch. Change the blending mode to vivid light. Then invert the layer using Ctrl and I. Go to the filter, other and high pass. And slowly increase the radius until the blemishes start to fade naturally. After that, again go to the filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. Adjust it to restore a natural skin texture. Add a layer mask, invert it with Ctrl and I. Then select a soft brush, set to low flow, and carefully paint over the skin to smooth it out, all while preserving the important skin details and texture. And there you have it. Now for the second method, and this one gives even better result. Here is the image we are working with. First, duplicate the background layer using Ctrl and J. Right click, convert it to a smart object. Then duplicate it again. Hide the top copy for now and select the first duplicate. Go to the filter, noise and median. Increase the radius until the acne blurs out. Next, create a solid color adjustment layer and fill with 50% gray. Right click it and choose Convert to Smart Object. And change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Now go to the filter, noise, add noise. Add a small amount of noise and make sure monochromatic is checked. Then go to the filter, stylize, emboss. Adjust the angle, height and amount until you get the natural looking skin texture. Now unhide the top layer, change the blending mode to vivid light. Press Ctrl and I to invert it. Go to the filter, other and high pass. Increase the radius to smooth the skin while keeping detail. Now select all 3 layers and group them using Ctrl and G. Go to the layer style and select blending options. In the underlying layer, hold Alt to split the sliders. Drag the black half to the right and white half to the left until the blending between highlights and shadows look natural. Finally, add a layer mask to the group and invert it with Ctrl and I. Select the brush tool, set the flow to about 15%, foreground color white, and gently paint over the skin to clean up blemishes. The acne is gone, the skin is smooth and the texture is preserved beautifully. Now for the third method, and this time we are letting AI do the heavy lifting. Here is the image we are working with. Can Photoshop fix this? Absolutely, but it might take hours to remove all these blemishes manually. That's why in this method we are using AI tool called Evoto. You have probably heard of it. Just open your image in Evoto, go to the portrait retouching and find the blemish removal section. Simply increase the freckles and acne sliders and you are done. As you can see, it removes the acne perfectly without destroying the skin texture. Let's try it with other images. The results are just as clean. This is seriously impressive. Evoto isn't just for blemish removal. It's packed with powerful features for professional photo retouching. And here is the bonus. You can get 20% off in your subscription if you use this promo code. Download Evoto from the special link below. Try it out for yourself and see what it can do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.